Hello everybody, welcome back to Study with Cree. Today we will be discussing the 8 core CACREP content areas for the CPCE that we must know as students who are preparing to take the CPCE. The first section would be human growth and development. This section contains all developmental theories pertaining to physical, cognitive, emotional, and social aspects across the lifespan. Theories to keep in mind would be Kohlberg, Erikson, Piaget, and Maslow for this section. And down below, I do have the CACREP.org website listed there where you can find this information and also more things that are not listed here. Throughout this entire PowerPoint, you will see that I have cited the sources of where I have gotten my information. The second section is social and cultural diversity. This section puts an emphasis on multicultural counseling, advocacy, identity, and working with diverse populations. An example of the theories would be Lev Vygotsky. And I also found my information at CACREP.org, where you can also find more topics relating to social and cultural diversity. The third section will be counseling and helping relationships. They focus on different counseling techniques and building relationships. Approaches to keep in mind when thinking about counseling and helping relationships would be CBT, person-centered therapy, and also Gestalt therapy. And I found this information at NBCC.org. Now we have the fourth section, which is group counseling and group work. The NBCC's website highlights the specific areas such as group development stages, concerns with ethics while in group settings, and also different styles of leadership. And I found my information at nbcc.org. And we have career development for the fifth section. This information on this CACREP website that mentions career development highlights the theorists such as Holland, Super, and Krumholtz. It also mentions the importance of knowing the strategies for lifespan career counseling and assessments. And you can visit the CACREP.org website to view more on this topic. Additionally, we have the sixth section, which is assessment and testing. The NBCC TAC CPCE exam guide states that there would be a focus on the concepts regarding measurement, test, constriction, reliability, validity, and the area regarding using assessments ethically. And for more information, you can check this out at nbcc.org. Regarding the seventh section, we have research and program evaluation. The CACREP curriculum standard states that we should be familiar with research designs, statistics, program evaluation, and evidence-based practices in the field of counseling. And once again, you can visit the CACREP website to learn more about research and program evaluation. Last but not least, we have professional orientation and ethical practice, which is the eighth section. According to the ACA, it is crucial to be familiar with roles of a counselor, ethical codes of the ACA and NBCC, supervision, and legal issues. And I forgot to add the code here, but you can visit the NBCC website and also reference your ACA Code of Ethics. Thank you so much for taking the time to listen to this video. I hope it was very helpful for you. Remember the sources are there in the slides for you to be able to go visit the website and to learn more information. Subscribe for more on psychology, counseling theories, and also study with me and all these other great things. Thank you so much for you guys' support. And like I said before, I hope this was helpful for you, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video. Like, comment, and subscribe, please, and let me know how you enjoyed this video.